Good morning, good morning. I gotta say a big thanks to you guys because we hit 50,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. A year and a half ago, if you'd have told me we would have hit 50,000 subscribers, I would not have believed it. But you guys helped us get there. We've been working hard to create the content, but you guys have been loving it and sharing it and being a part of the community. And we're just so happy to be at this point in our YouTube career. So we're gonna keep pushing, keep bringing new content. Got some new stuff up our sleeves that we want to tell you guys about. I'm actually inside doing my day job, but I wanted to hop on here really quickly and just thank each and every one of you who has supported UBT over the last year and a half. We are so stoked to be at 50,000 subscribers. We obviously have the giveaway going with Tejas Steelworks, Auto Metal Direct, and ourselves. We'll be picking those winners sometime here very soon. It's probably gonna be in a couple of days. We got some busy days coming up, some travel. We're going to the Pro Touring Truck Shootout this weekend. So we're gonna be obligated for a couple of days. However, that doesn't mean that we're not doing the giveaway and we won't be picking winners here very soon. Stay tuned for more details on that. And really appreciate you guys. 50,000 subscribers. Wow. Cue the music.